a remarkably changing modern world. What is brilliantly coloring the rapidly changing cities and lifestyles of the people living there are the sign graphics that decorate the streets and radiate information. The design of industrial products can influence how people feel about those products. Varied design arts of gorgeously printed fabrics are used as the latest fashion. Indispensable devices to achieve such richly designed expressions are advanced inkjet printers and cutting plotters, which make possible exquisite printing of any material and shape. These are the products Mimaki Engineering sends to the marketplace. With the development of digitalization in all industries, needs have sophisticated and accelerated diversification. In this environment, what Mimaki Engineering values most is one-by-one communication with every customer. With advanced inkjet technology at the core, Mimaki Engineering will advance together with those who use our products, developing increasingly varied creative scenes. Mimaki's headquarters and plants are in Tomi City, Nagano Prefecture in central Japan. From this region, richly endowed with nature and modern public amenities, we are multilaterally supporting varied expressions rich in creativity. We do so with our advanced inkjet and cutting technologies. The core of such activities is the research and development sector, which comprises about 30% of our employees. Over 100 experts cover mechanical, hardware, electrical, software, and chemical activities. With the goal of becoming a development-oriented enterprise, we provide the marketplace with newness and differences, culminating in abundant innovations. To reflect market requirements in our products, project teams are formed for each development theme, and technical staff expertise is synergized to achieve the final goal. This is the Mimaki style. We are also trying to develop the business as close to our users as possible, putting extraordinary emphasis on market-in thinking. By doing so, we believe we will be able to identify the varied needs of our users, transform them into the form of our products, and then put them into the marketplace. As we saw earlier, Mimaki products and technologies are mainly used in three fields. One is sign graphics, which is our main target and where our efforts have won great trust. Mimaki brands are found in all workshops of high-quality sign arts, exemplified by beauty and color brilliance. To help realize the speed and beauty pursued by our users, we have developed variable dot control technology for our inkjet printers, which can produce precise high-resolution images. A precisely staggered head arrangement enables super high-speed printing. Another feature is the automatic detection of nozzle missing. We continually supply technologies one step ahead of the competition, exemplified by our RIP software, which manages colors perfectly. On the other side, our cutting plotters feature cutter controlling technology and contour cutting of the printed material by way of detecting continuous registration marks. These Mimaki unique features were developed in response to user needs. We offer a lineup of inkjet printers represented by the JV5 series and cutting plotters of the CG-FX series. We also have printing software, white ink, and high image quality solvent inks, delivering user-friendly operations throughout all phases from design and printing to cutting. We are further developing our products to expand the scope of direct printing with the use of ultraviolet ray curable ink, to create more richly expressive sign arts at low cost. Mimaki technologies, which are flexible to many industries, are also used in the world of industrial products, where they are expanding business opportunities for our customers. Our inkjet technology is already used widely for printing on instrument panels, control panels, and auto dashboards. Beyond that, Mimaki's inkjet and cutting technologies, which are advancing almost daily, make it possible to create value-added products that can differentiate customer products and make possible small lot multi-kind production. Quick response through on-demand production and reduced inventories has been achieved. Mimaki will continue to work for environmentally friendly production, where only necessary parts are printed and no waste liquid is discharged. Beyond inkjet printers, we have a lineup of flatbed cutting plotters that can cut thick substrate freely, and modeling machines like the NC5. We are also developing UV curable ink, which is hardened with ultraviolet rays. Mimaki's digital textile printers are actively used in the textile and apparel fields. They are appreciated and popular in the overseas market, especially in Europe. Today we enjoy an established confidence in Italy and France, the homes of true fashion. One reason for our success is that screens for printing have become unnecessary, resulting in shorter production processes and a profound power of expression. Textile designers' ideas can be quickly shaped, making possible designs and color expressions not possible with conventional screen printing. Unique T-shirt printers have also been developed. As a screen is not required, even single orders for custom shirts are possible. No inventory is needed, and on-demand printing becomes possible by tracking order trends. The TX3 1600 and GP 1810 inkjet printers and associated software are dramatically expanding the design area. Another important Mimaki role is to protect the future of our traditional Japanese dress with advanced inkjet printers. We will promote on-demand business through inkjet technology and contribute to the creation of new domestic industries and to the activation of regional industries and traditional industries. As a new business, we have opened inkjet laboratories. Our goal is to expand the application of inkjet technology to the varied fields of painting, coating, and adhesion in cooperation with other industries. We are doing this by discharging various types of liquids for pattern formation or coating. In our production sector, which produces high-quality Mimaki products, all such functions as production management, procurement, manufacture, production engineering, quality assurance, and logistics are closely linked. Essential to this sector is the quality-first approach. Mimaki's manufacturing policy is coupled with our task of responsibility and pride in the Mimaki brand, never forgetting that the products we produce are important working tools for our customers. We are working to establish a one-week production and inventory cycle, or OPIC, a production system that can immediately respond to fluctuations in demand by executing assembly and arrangement planning on a weekly basis. Our goal is to respond with flexibility to market needs across the globe. In our daily production program, we emphasize visual production control, whereby a problem is found and immediately resolved through consultation across various departments. This speedy approach is the strong point of Mimaki, made possible by 100% in-house development and production. It creates complete customer confidence and instills in them a feeling of security. Our sales sector performs an important role by responding quickly to customer needs with new development, thereby keeping pace with a changing world. Mimaki's sales force is characterized by strong technical knowledge and provides customers with pertinent, usable technical advice. It is also Mimaki's sales style to emphasize proposal-type sales activities, such as application proposals in various new industrial fields. In domestic sales, Mimaki is developing close-to-customer sales activities through regional sales companies having direct contact with end users. We have established a sales organization that emphasizes seeing the customer face-to-face, based on the market-end perspective. Our overseas sales department is expanding the Mimaki brand by conducting marketing and customer support through distributors around the countries of the world, in addition to our sales subsidiaries in Europe and the U.S. Beyond that, the supporting tasks indispensable to users, such as user training, maintenance, and repairs, are performed by our customer engineers. Customer engineers should have complete technical competence and sound judgment to readily address problems, and the skills needed to serve customers. Another important role of customer engineers is to find out what customers really think and to reflect it in the development of new products. Further, to respond more promptly to increasing needs for support, we opened the Technical Call Center. Our full-time specialists take calls and quickly answer inquiries, extend maintenance services, fix troubles, and offer consultation on the purchase of supplies based on our customer database. Our one-stop support services are improving convenience and building customer satisfaction. In addition to our headquarters and development and production sites in Nagano Prefecture, we have branch offices in Tokyo and Osaka, and sales offices in Japan's main cities. From Hokkaido to Kyushu, we have established a fine-tuned service network, independent of outside servicing agents, and are providing safe and fast services. We have 6 affiliated companies in Japan and overseas. Mimaki USA, headquartered on the outskirts of Atlanta, Georgia in the southeast, covers the U.S. through its 4 sales and servicing offices in Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, and Los Angeles. Mimaki Europe is based in the European traffic hub of Amsterdam. It handles sales and support services throughout Europe using distributors and dealers in each country. Graphic Creation in Akasaka, Tokyo offers inkjet printing services across various industries, delivering total solutions for digital printing. In Taiwan, we have Taiwan Mimaki in Taichung. The main business here is parts procurement. The company supplies economical and reliable parts to Mimaki and other Japanese companies. Mimaki Precision, established through a spin-out of Mimaki's processing and tooling sector, is performing highly precise metalwork and metal plate processing of aluminum and other materials with state-of-the-art facilities. WizTech is a group of specialists who design and develop mechatronics. It was established by spin-outs of a leading company. The company is headquartered in the Hachioji area of Tokyo. Mimaki is a development-oriented enterprise with unique technologies. It supplies branded products throughout the world. hoping to be an innovator that continually delivers newness and difference to the marketplace. To achieve this goal, it is indispensable that the company adapt itself quickly to rapidly changing new needs. It is also important to maintain the corporate culture by having its employees exercise individual character and skills to the fullest extent. Aiming at becoming such a company, Mimaki has introduced a new Group Independent Profitability Standard, or GIPS. This is a management system pursuing a staff-based business division system in which the members assigned to each product development project will be responsible for all aspects, from product planning and development to selling, and to pursue the individual profitability of small groups. We want all of our employees to become more profit-minded and to be able to participate in company management. We want them to collaborate with each other based on mutual trust, much like a cluster of grapes.